What if the Library of Alexandria never burned? Dozens of ancient texts, sciences, and inventions were lost when the library was destroyed. The Library of Alexandria was meant to hold every book in the world and could have grown even larger if protected and expanded under Alexander's reign. A potential global center for preserving and expanding ancient texts. Think of figures like Newton, Galileo, or Da Vinci existing 1,000 years earlier or never being needed because their discoveries already happened. Science and technology would be centuries ahead. If astronomy had advanced sooner, heliocentrism, the Copernican model, might have been common knowledge by 200 BC. Timekeeping, physics, and navigation would be far superior. Moon colonies, space travel, and colonization had already been established. By 2025, humanity could have already reached Mars or even ventured beyond. Medicine could be hyper-advanced. Ancient doctors were already exploring surgical techniques, human anatomy, and natural remedies. Cancer and many other diseases were cured centuries ago. Modern medicine in the 21st century might already have biotech-level treatments. Perhaps even biological age reversal, organ regrowth, or full bionics are possible. If clean fusion and climate tech had emerged in the 1800s, we could be living in futuristic eco-cities today. Advanced water systems and green infrastructure had developed centuries ahead. Fusion-powered factories might have prevented early pollution, while architecture inspired by Greek and Egyptian design would blend beauty with sustainability driven by eco-awareness. AI might have begun as mechanical minds, gears, tubes, and analog logic centuries before modern computers. These early machines could have powered automation, navigation, and data analysis during the age of the empire. We might have experienced a golden age of uninterrupted innovation instead of the Dark Ages. Greek could have been a universal academic and scientific language. The concept of open source knowledge like today's internet might have begun with the Library of Alexandria, where all civilizations contributed, learned, and grew together. The burning of the Library of Alexandria wasn't just the loss of scrolls. It was the loss of what could have been where science, medicine, and unity could have advanced centuries before their time, and all it took to lose it was a single fire. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another twist in the tale.